Hey guys, what we got here today? Do some excavating today. 8.8 ton machine. What we're gonna do. We're back in here today doing this, so lots of brush to be buried, just burying all this. So it's a part right here is a problem. Over there is not so bad, but here I had someone help me pull some trees down and it made such a freaking mess. And what I'm doing is I'm just taking the brush and I'm digging a hole and burying it. So but yeah, so we'll get to it. Got lots of little trees to take down in here, and we're gonna save the pines for now because we're planning to buy a mill and mill down some of this timber and make something out of it. Like a bugger, eh? He's tall, but lots of crap. So we better get at it. Running by the day here on this machine. So, alrighty, guys, take it easy.